For us, this is a massive reveal day again, another new car.
Today, we're going to give you a full refurbishment on a cylinder head.
Right guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Darren Evans and this is BD Performance. For us, this is a massive reveal day again, another new car. Now, I know that we haven't openly advertised this or anything, and this is a bit of a utility vehicle. It's probably actually going to surprise and shock a lot of you. So, before we actually reveal it, comment down below, before we get to it, what you think this is. I bet you cannot guess, because this is an individual and very unique car for the UK. Now there's a clue. So the purpose of this vehicle is to use it for shows and for other bits and bobs, but I'm not going to yabber on. Without further ado, I'm going to introduce our new vehicle. So guys, this is a Ford F-150 and it is the Platinum Edition. It's actually got some bits of kit on it, but I'm going to give you some sexy cinematics from Bennett to reveal the car and to show you everything that's on it. So Bennett decided that I should lean on the truck to actually discuss it, just so that you can get a bit of perspective about exactly how big this truck is. Now it's actually got a 4-inch lift kit on it, and it's got the Raptor arches fitted to it. Now those of you that know a bit about the F-150 know that this version didn't come to the UK. They did do a Raptor version, and I do believe that's got roughly the same engine fitted as this.
Hang on a minute, he thinks he knows absolutely everything about the F-150, but that's not strictly true. Anyway, carry on.
Now there were several options in the US of engine type to go in the F-150. There was also several versions of the F-150 itself, the Platinum being the top edition. Now in this vehicle you had the stock engine, which wasn't very common, a diesel engine, a 2.7, a 5 litre, and this one, which is the 3.5. Now it is the pre-revision edition, so it is the earlier edition, pre-2016. It's got about just short of 370 brake horsepower, so it's got plenty under the hood. It's actually, funnily enough, twin turbocharged EcoBoost, so it suits our channel down to the ground, and also it gets the best miles per gallon out of the whole lot. Now in the US, the 3.5 was probably one of the most popular editions. The 5 litre, although more powerful, struggled up high in terms of towing. So a lot of the people, when this 3.5 version came out, switched up to it. So it is actually the truck to have. Now it's fully loaded, fully spec'd out. It's got heated massaging seats in it. It's got the panoramic roof to it. It's got different wheels on it, and it's got the extending side skirts that actually extend and deploy when you're getting into the vehicle to get you in there. Now that's a good job because, as I say, it's got about 4-inch lift kit on it. It's got the tonneau cover on the rear, and it's got an electric rear tailgate. There's so many different options on this. It's massively decked out, but I'm not going to spoil it in this video. We have got some future plans, as you'd imagine, for this vehicle going forwards. We're not going to leave it stock. Who would? All you have to do is do a simple Google to find out exactly how tunable these 3.5 engines are. But for now, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, then please consider doing so. Hit that bell icon to stay notified, and comment down below what exactly you think we're going to do to this vehicle in the next few weeks. Guys, we'll see you in the next one.